Hey, mathematicians. We are going to continue talking about ways that we can represent a number. The other day, we talked a lot about 10 frames, right? And we even talked about 10 frames this morning during our morning calendar, right? Well, now we're going to talk about a different way to represent a number. We're going to talk about tally marks. Now, I think a lot of you know things about tally marks already. Maybe from kindergarten, maybe from something you've learned from your parents, maybe from a show you've watched. But we're going to talk a little bit more about it today because it can be really tricky. So I'm going to share my screen. Here we go. Now, if you see, I have a whiteboard on here and it says tally marks. I'm going to teach you how to do tally marks the correct way. So if I'm going to start with tally marks, I'm going to start by drawing a line. And tally marks always make Miss V think about a fence or a door that you have to close, and I'll show you why. So I'm going to start with my tally marks, and it's going to be a straight line down. That means 1. Hey, it looks just like the number 1. Let's keep going. 1, 2. Oh, that's not the number 2, but it's 2 tally marks. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, a big part of me wants to just go ahead and do a number 5 right here, but that's not what we do for tally marks. We have to go across for number 5. That's 5. And it looks kind of strange, but it's actually very helpful when you do tally marks the correct way, because now I can look at it right away and say 5. I already know that's 5. It's kind of like our 10 frames we did. Whenever you have the top row of a 10 frame filled up, you can just look at it and say 5. You can do the same thing with tally marks. When it has a line across, that means 5. So here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Or you can say 5. All right, let's keep going. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh, wait. I cannot just put another line here for 10 because I have 1, 2, 3, 4 right here. That means I have to go across to make that a 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hold on. Hold on. That made me think about our 10 frames. Look. Oh my goodness. Look at that. We have 5. It's like our top row. 5. Then we have another 5. Oh, right here. There's another 5. And remember when we said a whole 10 frame gets filled up and we say 10. Well, when a whole 10 frames filled up, that means that you have 5 and 5. And we circle it and we can say 10. Guess what? 5 and 5 makes 10. And on these tally marks, guys, look, you have 5 and 5. Oh my gosh, you can circle it and you can know that that is 10, just like our 10 frame. It's the same thing. Okay, so we have 10. Let's see if we can get to 15. So we can skip count by 5, 10, and then keep going. Or we can count one at a time and say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and then keep going. Or we can go very efficiently and say 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. What do I need to do? I need to go across because look, there's 4. I got to go across. And there's 5. So now we can say 5, 10, 15. Or we could be real quick and say 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Or we could say 10, 15. So guys, these are tally marks, and they're very, very helpful for counting. I'm going to erase it though, because I know it can be super tricky to remember to shut that door. So I'm going to teach you a song, okay? I use this song still, and I'm a grown-up and I'm a teacher. So you can use this song when you're doing tally marks too. Okay, so let's start. We're going to start with 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. Number 5 shuts the door. It's like a fence, it's shut. 1, 2, 3, 4. Number 5 shuts the door. 6, 7, 8, 9. Number 10 draws the line. Let's say it together. 1, 2, 3, 4. Number 5 shuts the door. 6, 7, 8, 9. Number 10 draws the line. All right, mathematicians, I hope that helped you, and I hope that you're going to become great tally mark counters. Keep practicing because it's very tricky. Have a great day, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.